July 15th, 2019. Just finished taking off all the broken bits. Smashed headlight, fender, air conditioning, condenser. The bumper's actually fine. Bumper cover is being replaced. That's that's going to be reused, the wheel well. That's lower lip can be reused. It's a part of the hood that's not going to be reused or replaced. Tray full of bolts. So yeah, it's all took apart up on a jack, tire under for safety. I don't know what to say. That's what it looks like with no radiator or intercooler or air conditioning condenser or headlights. So here is the cooling fan. As you can see, is an FG. It got shoved into the engine. So we're getting a new fan assembly. This is the actual radiator. This section here is the intercooler. There's just air going through there. This bit of plastic is the radiator support and what holds down the hood. It is a ridiculously expensive piece of plastic. I was quite surprised to find out it was plastic that holds the hood down and the radiator on. So there we are, taken apart, parts ordered. The only thing I have to delay the hood repair because I'll be able to bend it back enough so that it fits. But can't afford replacing it right now. But good news is, with my budget, I've managed to buy all the parts needed to put this back together. So it's just a matter of waiting for the parts and actually putting it back together. All right, that's your update.